good afternoon. We are at the second day of Indian Ice Cream Expo right now, and we are at the Walter stall. They are the associate partner of Kanchan Metals in India, and they have a large number of equipment such as fat reduction solution in baked chips, sustainable production methodology for sugar wafers lines, and many types of ice cream cones and micro cones. So, hello, Life. How are
Hello.
you?
I'm fine. Nice to meet you.
So he's Leif-Erik Blohm, area sales manager of Walter, and we are going to have some of the questions with him. So,
Perfect.
uh, what types of fat reduction solutions are you currently providing in the baked chips line currently, Walter?
In terms of the baked chips lines, we have our Meteor line in our program, which is a completely new system of baking chips or providing chips. And the key is that we don't use fat for preparing the chip. We are baking it, and all the fat is just in a batter, a liquid batter. So
Okay.
there's no deep frying involved. And that's naturally by our production process, which is unique, we are able to save up to 60% of fat in a potato chip or in a general chip itself. So that's why you have a completely new solution to make a snack and also have a clean label, healthy snack.
So you are talking more about this machine called Jupiter C, which is a sugar wafer baking line.
Exactly.
So can you just elaborate something more about this line?
Exactly. Apart from our baked chips line, which is the Meteor line, we have the Jupiter line, which is already since 70 years on the market. And this is for sugar cones, wafer rolls, wafer boards, everything which is a sugar wafer. These ovens are highly energetic designed. We are the market leader in this segment and putting all our dedication into developing this oven as a masterpiece, which means as part of sustainability, saving gas. Gas
Okay.
is the highest source.
So what are the sustainable production methodology you are just using in this one
Yeah.
for the green economy for a sustainable future?
Yeah.
Y-
Gas is the heat source which we have in the ovens, and by designing the gas nozzles, by designing the baking plate, and having an inner heat chamber, um, makes the possibility to produce the wood products in a very low energetic consumption. That means by far the lowest. Just a comparison to other European producers of similar equipment, customers told us that our line produces 25% less gas, which is a huge number told by our customers. Apart from this, they are right now for gas, but they can be convertible for electrical consumption. That means we are getting rid of the gas burners and inserting induction heating panels, so that you completely can change the heat source from gas to electricity if it makes economically wise and environmental wise sense.
You are also showcasing a baked chips line called Meteor.
Yes.
So can you just tell more about that one?
Yeah, this is, as I said in the beginning, the Meteor line coming from the Jupiter line where we have a lot of experience. This chip product is not a sliced potato or a sliced vegetable. It is basically a batter, a liquid mixture, which will be dosed on the baking plate. The good thing about this, you can use rice flour, chickpea flour, lentil flour, potato flour, corn flour, any type of flour, make a batter and dose it on the baking plate and produce a chip. And all the fat which is needed is just in the mixture, no deep frying. And that's why it's a naturally low fat product, but the taste is very enhanced.
Okay. So you are in the one sense you are just reducing the fat content of the chips and all and making it more suitable for diet conscious consumers. Okay.
Exactly, exactly.
So right now you are in association with Kanchan Metals, and how are you getting traction in Indian market right now?
Yeah. So with Kanchan Metals, we are together since 2005. So 20 years, which is a long, good history, successful history. They are based in Greater Noida, and it's our trusted partner, and they are always involved in India. And the customers know them and they value them. And yeah, nothing much more to say. It's a good partnership. We want to keep that partnership. And yeah. So, and in India, as we say, bringing joy to India since 1982. This was
Yeah.
the year when we sold the first sugar wafer baking line. And since then, it was a success story. All major ice cream producers either produce the cones with our machines by themselves, or they buy the cones from our customers, which are purely producing cones for the Indian market.
So, what are the different products you are just showcasing in India right now, apart from this Jupiter C and Meteor?
One new development of WALTERWERK, which is actually just finished this time, is the microcones. This is a hype product worldwide coming from the US, starting with a product called Muddy Bites. And worldwide, you find copies of this product. Originally, they were bigger cones which were punched or cut down to smaller cones, which always gives you waste, and
Yeah.
you don't want to waste food. We manufactured a line which is producing the smallest rolled sugar cone worldwide, which is a 45 mm sugar cone, this size.
Okay.
And we just have this machine ready to show in our company in Kiel, Germany,
Yeah.
to show to interested customers. So this is something which is new, and there we're entering from the ice cream market, the confectionery market.
Confectionery market.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Because many good marks and other companies are using
Yeah.
these small cons as a confectionery right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you, Life. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
this interaction. Thank you very much.
Thank you.